and greetings to all my friends and madam. So today I'm gonna tell you about safety procedure at construction sites. So let's begin our video, shall we? Let's go! So first step, our head must be protected by hard helmet. It makes sure your head protect from falling obstacles and objects from construction sites. So let's go to next step.
The next step are safety glasses. Safety glasses are required at construction sites every time because so many debris is filled in air due to activities on site. Next are hand protection gloves. Hand gloves are supplied to all personnel to protect against cuts when handling material or equipment during cleaning operation, cutting metal stuff or similar works.
For the next step that we had are safety vests must be worn by the worker. Okay, why? This is because, for your information actually, safety vest also called as a high visibility shirt, and the purpose of the safety vest are to keep the person always clear in view, and even in the dark mode and around the workers I actually know about the existence of the worker, so that there will no accident that will happen at the site if the worker are wearing the safety vest. So the next step that we have here what the step? Okay, I tell you. The step is where proper clothes are used at the site. Okay, why? Okay, so what the example of proper clothes? Okay, I tell you what's the example of proper clothes. So for the example that we have is of course you need to wear shirt and then long pants. But other than that, at the site you need glove, safety helmet, sunglasses, safety boot, and all that kind of safety at the site. Okay, why? Because when you at the site, you doesn't know what will come, what the construction things that would fall into you. So that's why you need to have the safety features. Okay, this is important for your safety, and you will be more careful, and the damage will reduce if you are wearing the safety features at your body when you are in a construction site or another site.
Respiratory protection is the last procedure that must be followed by all labourers. For example, the dust mask that provided should be worn by all construction labour, who especially those who are working with the fiberglass or fireproofing. As a conclusion, every safety procedure must be followed by every laborer who are working in construction site to ensure their personal safety. We hope the safety of labor will be guaranteed by information we provide. I think that's all from us. #safety first. Assalamualaikum.